How to use metacognition in learning. Hey there, study enthusiasts! Ready to supercharge your learning game with some mind-blowing metacognition techniques? Let's dive into these awesome strategies that will make you a self-regulated learning machine. 1. Self-questioning. Be your own quiz master. Ever wondered how questioning yourself can boost your brain power? Start by asking yourself questions before, during, and after your study sessions. It's like being your own detective. For example, before, what am I about to learn? During, do I understand the main idea of this passage? After, what strategies did I use that were super effective? By constantly quizzing yourself, you'll spot those knowledge gaps and fill them up in no time. 2. Reflection. The power of pause and think. Take a moment to hit the pause button and reflect on your learning journey. After finishing an assignment or study session, jot down a quick reflection. Think about what went well, what could be improved, how did my thought process evolve. This tiny habit will keep you aware of your progress and areas for improvement, making each study session more effective than the last. 3. Planning, your roadmap to success. Great learning starts with great planning. Set specific learning goals and activate your prior knowledge. Before diving into a new topic, skim through headings to get an overview. Plan out what you want to achieve, the strategies you'll use, how you'll activate what you already know. Planning gives you a clear roadmap, making your learning journey smoother and more focused. 4. Monitoring. Stay on track. Keep an eye on your understanding as you go. During your study sessions, regularly check if you're grasping the key points. If something doesn't click, switch up your strategy. It's like having a GPS for your brain. Pause during readings to ensure you understand. Adjust your approach if you hit a bump in the road. Continuous monitoring keeps you on track, ensuring you don't get lost in the learning maze. 5. Evaluation. Reflect and revise. Once you've finished a learning task, evaluate the outcome. Ask yourself, what worked well? Where did I struggle? What can I do differently next time? By assessing your strengths and weaknesses, you'll be ready to tackle future challenges with new strategies and a fresh perspective. 6. Explicit instruction. Learn from the best. Teachers can be your metacognition mentors. Pay attention when they model and directly teach these strategies. Practice them in class and during your study sessions. Learning from the pros will help you master metacognition faster and more effectively. Alright folks, by integrating these metacognitive strategies, you're not just learning, you're learning how to learn. This powerful approach will make you an active, self-regulated learner, boosting your academic performance and equipping you with lifelong learning skills. So, gear up and start applying these techniques today. Happy studying!